I flew in from Texas. My name's Joe Cagnassola, validation engineer for about 20 years. Specialties are cleaning, sterilization, decontamination of equipment and components. So one of the topics I picked on was variation in processes. A lot of talk is around risk-based processes. So one of the things that people, when they inherit a cleaning program at work, I went into what are some of the pitfalls that you might encounter based on maybe your cleaning procedures aren't adequate to people that are doing the work. So how do you mitigate those risks? How do you understand what is expected, actual versus reality? So trying to bridge those gaps to be successful in your career, but also in what we do for cleaning is to ensure compliance to procedure. So what I try to bring, my value is I try to bring my experiences. Working at different companies and different facilities, I've seen different processes. So I try to bring my experiences to the audience to say, this is what I found. These are some of the issues that I've noted, and these are some of the ways that I've felt to get your hands around the core topic. So that's hopefully is my experience in doing this transcends to how they're doing things, and hopefully they can do it better. So that would be my ultimate, passing on the torch. A big for everybody is how do we do things leaner? How do we convince other people that we can do things? Doing less is not always doing less, but it's more efficient. So kind of understanding a risk-based approach. I think a lot of the speakers have information on how to do things better. So having their knowledge will help my facility and friends of mine that are in the business as well. So that's where, and also meeting people. I think that's really important. The key is, especially coming to a different country and expanding my connections is very big for me as well.